Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you guys my updated wash day routine for short relaxed hair. So without any further ado, let's get it. So there are a few products that I love to use when I'm washing my hair. Of course, I have to have a pre-poo, I have to have conditioner and shampoo to cleanse my hair, and I also like to use my head and shoulders depending on how my dandruff is acting, and of course I need a deep conditioner to use on my hair. First things first, I like to wet my hair just to get it wet, and then I apply my pre-poo. Y'all, this is like one of the best pre-poos I've ever used. I mentioned it in my routine for colored hair, and y'all, this pre-poo, if you don't have this in your hair collection, like, you need to stop what you're doing and go and get that now. Like, it is the best, hands down. Okay, so I just put on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I just let it sit on there because, you know, just because I have short hair doesn't mean that I can't, you know, make sure my hair is in good condition. So I just like to make sure that my hair is good, it's clean, and also most importantly it's healthy. So once I'm done with that, I leave it on my hair, then I rinse it off. And then once I'm done, I'll add shampoo and conditioner on my hair. Y'all, oh my gosh, having short hair and like give myself a scrub on my scalp, y'all, it feels so good. Okay, so once I'm done shampooing and conditioning, of course I'll rinse off the shampoo, then I'll rinse off the conditioner. Well, I'll leave the conditioner on for a couple of minutes and then I'll rinse it off, and then I apply my deep conditioner. Love that Moisture Miracle line from African Pride, like hands down, it's amazing. So I love that deep conditioner, the pre-poo, the whole nine, it's amazing. So once I apply my deep conditioner, I just, you know, put it all over my head, then I use my detangler brush to kind of smooth my hair down, then I leave it on for like 15 minutes or so, depending on what I have to do in the bathroom, shave and all that, and then I'll just leave it on there, and then I go by my merry way. So once I'm done, I get out of the shower and I try to leave my hair somewhat really soaked, just so that way it's easy to style and mold. I did a full tutorial on how I style and mold my hair, so I can link it here for you guys so you can check it on out. So once my hair is still wet, I part my hair the way I want it, and you know, just get ready to style it. Then I apply my Nairobi foam wrap. Y'all, that stuff is so good. I see why everybody's been raving about it, but I love this foam wrap. I have to do a foam wrap review for you guys. So I just apply it all over my hair, and then I take my tight rat tooth comb and I just comb my hair down to slick it down as tight as possible and try to make it as even as possible, and I just go around my hair and do that. So once I'm done doing that, then I apply my wrap strips, which I just add about 3 or 4 because it's just not necessary to put a whole bunch, especially when you go to sleep. You don't want to go to sleep with a whole bunch of stuff tied around your head. And then in the morning, I wake up and my hair may be all over the place because I sleep pretty well, but for the most part, it's pretty much laid to the gods. Okay. I forgot to mention to you guys in my previous video, my style and mold video, that I do comb out my hair. I guess in that video I just wanted to show you guys how I molded my hair and how I style it to get my short style, but I did forget to mention that I do comb it out with the rat tooth comb. So then once I wake up, I comb my hair down and make sure everything is straight, sleek, and you know, all good. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. Compared to the time it used to take me to do my hair with my natural hair compared to now, it's just amazing. Like, I think I cut down on 20 minutes of hair time doing this style or doing this routine with short hair. So it's just amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below what you do for your hair routine, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.